What is up, guys? It's Wednesday, December 29th. It is 10 a.m. and the market is red again. So I'm going to go over a couple things. I'm going to go over a new strategy, and I'm also going to show you Bitcoin and some things that I think might be keeping it down. Jeez. All right. So my strategy for my portfolio, I'm just going to stop touching stuff. I am hands off now because anytime I touch it, it sinks further. So I'm just going to sit here and watch it now because you know what? You can't lose more than you already have if you just watch it. And then, so we're going to go over the broader market. The whole thing's red pretty much. TFSA, my whole thing is down. Trading account, any trades that I'm in are currently down. I'm in Invite, Matterport, and HUD8. I couldn't sell HUD8 for 2 days. A little bit of a rant here. Friday, I bought in during the short hours, the 4 hours of trading. Monday, I knew I wouldn't be able to trade. That's fine. Tuesday, I didn't know I wouldn't be able to trade. So I wanted to sell HUD8 on Tuesday, but I was unable to. So now I'm like 15% down for something that I could not control, and it's just frustrating. There's the rant. And so I'm going to show you something with Bitcoin now that that's over. So we're going to go to the weekly chart here. I don't know why my iPad's lagging so heavily. So we can see that we, actually probably better to go to the 4 hour right now. So we were sitting at 52K, and then we sunk back down to 46.6 really rapidly within a day. And then I think we could see a bounce back up to around 49.5. We'll fall back to 47, and then I think we're going to have a run for 52 again. And I think we're going to break 52 that time. Now, the only thing is, if we go to the weekly chart, it actually looks bullish for us. I don't think that we're going to see a sell down like this here. I think it more looks like something here where we had a little bit of a stale sitting week, and then we ran. So if you look at it, I don't know why it, all right, my iPad's having a seizure. Yeah, so as you can see, these candles are trending upward. So I think that this next dip is going to be around 47.8 to 47.5. That's where I say the next dip is going to be. But I think we could reach up to 50,000 before then. So talking about that, I'm going to go over and show you liquidations that may be holding Bitcoin down as well. So if you go over to the site called CoinGlass, you can look at Bitcoin and a ton of, why is it so zoomed in? You can look at Bitcoin and a ton of other cryptocurrencies and where they're being liquidated and what exchanges they're on. So if we go over here, we can see that we had a massive liquidation on December 3rd. And if we go over to December 3rd on Bitcoin, so I'm going to go over the daily chart here. Yeah, so December 3rd, we can see that this is a massive spike here. And so that was that liquidation. And then I'm going to go over to a few other liquidations here. I don't know why it zooms in on both tabs. It just doesn't make sense. So we had a high liquidation on December 12th. We had a high liquidation on December 16th. And we had a high liquidation on December 27th. So there's the 12th. You can see that we were actually green that day on the liquidations. And then there's the 16th. You can see that we were again green for those liquidations. And then we had liquidations yesterday, which were this candle here. And then we got brought down to this 47 level. Hopefully we don't sit here for too long. I expect us to sit here for maybe 3 to 5 days. If we sit here any longer, then I think it'll be a bearish trend. Oh, look at that. Invite started going up. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness. I really thought this one wasn't done. If you look at it on the daily, we're kind of having this dead cat bounce. So I think this is the bottom, and I think we're going to trend upward after it. And then Matterport, oh man, Matterport is just an embarrassing trade. I don't even want to talk about this one. I ended at 22.50. I'm sitting down 5% right now, nice and pretty. Loving those losses. And yeah, I hope to see a rebound on this thing too, please. And then I've been watching some small caps. Again, nothing's really moving. Everything's red today. Everything is red today. All the crypto stocks are red. Crypto's red. Like, everything's red. So, nothing's green in my portfolio. Invite was green, but it's down now. Nothing can get a break. So, I'm going to leave you guys with that. My iPad's close to dying. I'm going to produce a second video today because I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I'm going to be at a friend's, so I'm going to see what I can pump out for you guys for tomorrow, and